So over here, you can see that I have these images in gallery right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to set the quality of the image that I have right here while exporting it out as an HTML file. So if you want to go ahead and do that, then you can go to output settings right here, and you can see by default the quality is set to 70, but you can go ahead and decrease out the quality level as needed as well, and choose what metadata you want to add. For example, you can choose copyright only, or you can select all right here just like this as well. So apart from that, you can also choose to add in watermarking. Like for example, if you want to add in YouTube logo watermark, then you can choose this one and not. So this is what I have. I already made the presets, and you can choose the watermark as needed. And for the exported images, you can also choose whether to sharpen the image or not. So let me just disable in my case. But if you want to enable it, you can go for low sharpening, standard, or high sharpening as needed. Let me just disable the sharpening altogether now. So after you've done changes to the output settings, you may want to actually preview how this looks in a browser. In that case, you can simply click on preview in browser, and it exports out a preview right here for you to see in a browser just like this. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So now this is what you have. Let me just go ahead and click on preview in browser right here. And then as the browser is open, you will be able to see the preview right here just like this. So you can go around over here and click, and you can see that it is interactive. You can go around onto previous, next right here, go around onto index right here, go to next page, and see how the gallery is actually functioning right here just like this. So that is how you can work around with the web layout settings and previewing in browser inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.